this very moment, right here and now, begins the journey of my dreams on to forever, hand in hand with the one who matters most to me. I have tomorrow to look forward to, for God has given me you to have and to hold, to cherish and honor, to love and call my very own, to share all I am with, body, heart and soul. You are mine as I am yours, to have and to hold.
Partner, companion, lover and friend, keeper of all things I hold dear. I see you before me and my heart is filled with joy for everything that has brought me here. And I have tomorrow to look forward to, for God has given me you.
To mark a new day, you have success and love for the rest of your lives. To you all, thank you. Cheers, everybody.
I just hope the two of you will spend your life happily after. Thank you.
Dodong Mark, Dong, amo ka ng mutya sa pagkiraman Dong, kaya magsibos-sibo ka na Dong. Ang ako pangyo yung Dong nga, kita na talaga, kinanakot na Dong. Kung may mga buko, kaya ilang sing mama, ikaw bukan po daw ka ng bata. So, ang tingin sama, ay, Johnny, pagka po si Pagkita ka na magpuutan yun, dyan patay ka. Kung dyan pa ito, matang ko sa senyo. Sabi mo, ikaw ba? Pagkita po, nakuha na ako ng tarang kalipay. Kailangan ako ang adjustment kung masawa ng mahal, ng masawa, ng pangyari. At sa masawa ito, ipahan ng muna ko. Tangan sila ipahan ako. So, guwapo ako ginagawa sa inyo. So, I hope so na magdonar yun kami yun. Good luck. Congratulations.
May hapon atong tanan. May buntag para uma. Really, I am very much overwhelmed, my husband and I, because we did not expect this wedding to be such as beautiful as this is this afternoon. We gained new friends, additional members to our family. I have met my cousin who for a long time wala kami makita, together with his lovely wife and children. But most of all, it's now official and it's now very much legal, moral and spiritually binding. I have gained a new daughter, Julie. I did not lose my son because instead of losing him, I gained one more child. But most of all, I thank every one of you whom I also consider as a newfound friend, especially our sponsors here, because I remembered I have been away from Mark for such a long time since he tried to find his own way. And then, kaya di amang yun siya resettle din medyo as a mother, nag-worry ko nga, makaya ba ka sa akong anak, no? Mag-inusara lang siya, pero nasayok dahil ko kay wa siya mag-inusara. Instead, I found out nga, pagkadaghan man di ay niyang mga amigo din kuyaw kay muluan sa rin siya ka barangay kapitan. Again, in behalf of my family, especially from my husband, daghan ay salamat sa inyong pagtabang sa akong anak o kang Paz, o Maz, Julia, and Luloy. Thank you kaayo.
Kaya hindi naman dito sa pabungan, yan sila pahimutan naman yun sa samok nga kinabuhi o mayo, ito ba? Sige, Ani Mark, Kaini, kung saman yung pag-muon, naalamin tanan. Naangi kanunay sa inyong likod. Ang dami nga po sa kanunay na pagsama. Salamat sa inyo, Kaini, Mark, na nakasinabot sa inyo kung walang mga problema. Tagang salamat.
Good afternoon, Ma'am Julie and Kuya Mark. I heard a lot of mga storyang binugok na ni Ma'am Julie about married life, and I am praying that God will bless you with many children, not like me. Sunod, go, and then I know you will be very happy. Not only today, but for the entire life that you will spend together. Ano lang, I don't know how to say this, but Ma'am Julie, remember the tips that I gave you, especially tonight. So I hope you will do that. And then, Kuya Mark, just participate. Just participate. Ano balik na? So, basta, congratulations and best wishes.
Thank you very much.